education, research, and practice. Education. 1980s exploration and use of the model greatly accelerated in education at all levels of practice and varied settings. Many schools of nursing in the world, USA, Canada, Australia, India, Nepal, etc., use the human system model as a curriculum framework or for selected courses. PSC nursing course of Nepal incorporate this model and curriculum. Education is being split in different places from basic to advanced level to meet the needs of various learners. Many school of nursing uses human system model as curriculum framework of courses because it offers a holistic is multidisciplinary framework that can be used in nursing education to help students understand nursing concepts and relate them to practical nursing experience. For example, imagine a nursing student learning about the human system model. They need to introduce the concept of holism, which emphasize viewing the patient as a world being. Next slide. In research, in order to facilitate the use of nursing research, which with the human system model, OSET has offered guidelines for constructing human system model-based studies. Human model has guided a range of studies designs from qualitative descriptions of relevant phenomena to quantitative experiments that tested the effects of prevention, intervention, and a variety of client system outcomes. In this research, OSET has developed guidelines to help nurses use the human system model in this research, making it easier to nurse to apply this framework to their study and contribute to the body of nursing knowledge. Human system model has been used as a framework for a wide variety of research studies in nursing. This means that researchers have used the model to guide their study in different ways, from simply describing a phenomenon as being effective use of intervention, creative impairments, meeting the family needs of client and critical care. It provides stable support for parents with infants in NICU and to meet the needs of all caregivers that emphasize on clients with cancer, HIV, AIDS, and health traumas. Sa practice, it shows how the model can be used to guide nursing practice in different situations, addressing the unique needs of individuals and their families. Next slide. Strength and limitation. Strength, the relationship among concepts are logically and clearly defined. Very simple and straightforward in approach. Easily identifiable definition. The holistic system approach used indicates the model is not situation specific but not used in. The strength of getting human system model is getting human system model is easier to understand and use because it concepts are clear. Strength demonstrate the human system model is used as a practical way to equip nurses, providing clear direction for intervention, and promoting best practice in nursing. Next slide. implies fear and direction, although reaction is identified in the pictorial model, it is not discussed separately. Mutation, typically used only by medical workers, particularly nurses. This limitation suggests that while the human system models offer a variable framework, further refinement and clarification are needed to enhance its clarity and comprehensiveness. Thank you.